In this video, you'll learn how to extract information using Kimi AI. This guide explains the process step by step to help you effectively utilize this tool for information extraction. First, navigate to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI interface with various options available for interaction. Next, locate the prompt area where you can input your query. This section is typically found prominently on the main interface. Click inside the prompt box to activate it, which will allow you to enter your request. After that, type in the phrase extract information about Wikipedia. This specific query will instruct Kimi AI on what type of information you wish to retrieve. Ensure that your spelling is correct to avoid any issues with the extraction process. Once you have entered your query, look for the Enter button, usually situated adjacent to the prompt box. Click on this button to submit your request. This action will initiate the information extraction process. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the desired information. During this period, you may see a loading indicator or a message indicating that the system is processing your request. The time taken to generate results can vary based on server load and your internet connection speed. Once the information has been generated, it will appear on your screen. Review the extracted content to ensure it meets. If the information is not satisfactory, you can refine your query and repeat the process. Be mindful of the file size and the amount of data being processed, as larger queries might take more time to generate results. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.